Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel pratham.com. This is my second video, but it has been a very long time to upload this video. So first of all, sorry for that. Friends, you know well that in my last video I told you that if your mother tongue is Hindi or other language, grammar is important for you to speak spoken English. But friends, many of you have confused which part of the grammar is important. So the most important part of the grammar is tense. Tense is very important because it helps us to talk about present, past and future. Friends, you know that there are a main three types of tense: present tense, past tense and future tense. Each tense has four parts. So in total there are a 12 tense. But friends, do you know you need only 5 tense to speak English fluently. So friends, in my coming video I will teach you about these 5 tense and how you use this in your daily conversation and the construction of these tense. So friends, keep watching my video, and if you find it helpful, don't forget to share, subscribe and like my channel. So friends, that's all for the today. Bye.